So oil-free eye makeup remover for dry skin, suitable for sensitive skin, fragrance-free. And then direction is shake well until blended. Apply small amount into your cotton or pad. Gently wipe away all traces of makeup. So warning, just don't put near your eyes. So just need to have a skin test first. So so we will take away my, what is this for my lashes? I use this for my eyeshadow. Yeah, it's soft. It's really soft. I have a double eyelid sticker. So nope. I like it. Yes. Next is this is the MaryKay. So thank you, Mario gave me a samples of MaryKay. So this one. As I say, to dry and oily skin, oil fragrance free. Direction after cleansing, apply a small amount of Timewise microdermabrasion. Refine to wet face with fingertips, then rinse thoroughly. This one is for minimizer. So we should have like a skin test first. Let's see. I put too much. So it's like exfoliate. This is the texture. And there is no strong scent, so this is how it looks like. So maybe just a small amount. Let's just do just a skin test if we have allergies. So next is this pores minimizer. So that's the texture. No strong smell. So that's the texture.